Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off hiding apps on home and app screen in Samsung Galaxy A55 phone. So where to look for this option and how to turn off hiding an application that was hidden from us. So we need to go to settings. In settings we need to go to home screen, and in home screen we have hide apps on home and app screen. So when we open this menu, we can see every app that was set to be hidden. How to unhide them, how to reveal them, how to turn off hiding. Simply tap, and that's basically it. Don't forget to tap done, and let's see. Yes, our camera is back. So that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.